Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to make money selling printables on Etsy? In this video, I will show you how to create beautiful printable products using Canva step by step and how to prepare them for Etsy. Even if you are a beginner, let's dive in. First of all, decide what kind of printable you want to sell. Popular niches include planners, calendars, budget trackers, wall art, kids, learning sheets, wedding templates. Start with something simple like a weekly planner or affirmation wall art. Now open Canva, go to canva.com and click the create button. Choose the customize size. For printable, use standard sizes like 8.5 inch wide and height 11 inch. For international buyers, then click create. Make sure to switch units to inches. Use Canvas drag and drop tools to build your design. You can add headings, checkboxes, decorative elements, grids and lines. Use the elements tab for shapes and illustrations, and text for titles and body fonts. Just go to Elements tab, choose a shape like square, and resize that shape. Pick a color like red, then add text. Click Add a text box button. Resize the text box and type your text here. Keep it clean, useful, and printer friendly. Stick to black and white or soft colors to save ink. For buyers. You can keep an idea from Google. Search for printable design. Look like that. Go back to Canva. Go to Elements tab. Use like graphics like that. Change the background color. Like, um ink and design your base. Now, want to sell a full planner set? Add multiple pages like cover, weekly view, monthly view, and habit tracker. You can duplicate pages and adjust as needed. Once your design is ready, click the share button from the right side corner, then click download. Choose file type, PDF prints from here. Color profile, choose a color profile, CMY, best for professional printing, but it's pro. Flat, flatten, check flatten PDF to preserve layout. This creates a high quality file your customer can download and print instantly. Now go to It's then create a new canvas. Now go to canva.com, then go to your home section, then file, then click on plus icon. Now click custom size, create a 2700 wide and 2025 height pixel. It's a mockup in Canva. Now you need eye-catching listings photos. Create a new Canva design at this canvas. Use canvas frames or smart mockups to make it pop. Go to your It's a Seller dashboard. Click Add a listing. Upload your listing images. Write a title, tags, and description that includes what it is, what size, how they receive it. Then upload the PDF file as a digital product, not a physical one. Price your printable between $2 to $10 depending on size and uniqueness. Bundle sets or offer multi-page planners for more value. It's a handles delivery automatically. Your customer gets a download link as soon as they buy. So go to your account, your profile section. Now from here, find the listing tab, go to shop manager, choose digital files, and follow the instruction and click save and continue. Use to boost sales, use keywords like instant download, minimalist, planner, etc. Create gets and bundles, offer editable versions with Canva links, promote on Pinterest or Instagram. And that's how to create and sell printables on Etsy using Canva. If this helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what product you are planning to sell. See you in the next tutorial.